Hello, my dear viewers. I have gotten one comment. As you can see, that how did I learn English? From where did I start? So, in this video, I'm going to tell you each and everything step by step so that you can get some idea that how did I learn English being a villager and being in a village area. So this video is going to be really remarkable and fabulous for those one who really want to learn this language. Being in a village area without joining any coaching class and without paying a single money just like me. So what you have to do is that you have to only watch this video at the end. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, I want to tell you that in this world, you should never compare yourself to your circumstances and environment, and you should never compare yourself to other as well. You are best in yourself and on your position. You just need to focus on your work and try to become skillful in that. So let's get started. Guys, I just want to tell you, literally, to be honest, when I was beginner, I could not understand one single word of English. I had not command over the English, and if you know my situation, you can't believe that am I that good? How did I improve my English even so fast? See, I was not good at pronunciation. Miss, when I used to read English book, I used to do so many mistakes in pronunciation. Even I had not idea about translation. Nothing. I was zero in translation. Miss Ram aam khata hai, Sita bazaar jati hai. I had not idea that in which tenses these sentences actually come. This was my level, and I had not idea about anything about English. Then how did I do, being in a village area without any support? So through this cell phone, and the thing that I applied to learn this language, I am going to share you each and everything in detail. See, first step that I taken to learn English, I started listening first of all a lot and a lot. Yes, I started listening a lot and a lot. And when I was beginner, I used to listen poem. Yes, like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, like this. You can't believe it. You can't believe it. Yes, because I was nothing. I had no idea about English. So this was my level. You can imagine in which situation I was in English. And I started listening poems and small cartoons. And after that, if you talk about on speaking, so I like when I was beginner, I was using one application. The name of that application is Jaws Skill, and through this application, I started speaking. Okay, so when it was my first call, that person called me. They didn't call me. I called, and I had not confidence so that I could speak one word even. Yeah, even I had not idea about it, and I just simply cut off the call. And I was saying, then again I did, and what happened? That person he was saying, hello, hello, are you there? Are you there? I was saying, Mommy, what should I do? My brother, he was saying, speak, Didi, speak, speak, nothing will happen. So I gave my introduction, and I could not give my introduction in a well manner. Yes, I could not give my introduction in a well manner. And so what I did for it, so I just want to tell you before telling this that every is a thing, everything everything start from small mistakes. those who have become successful in anything, whatever, in speaking, in like in education, whatever it is, like their journey started from small mistakes. Yes, so mistakes are not the hurdle and barrier for you. It is actually one path for you. And failure are making you path so that you can walk, properly. And they are directing you that in which path you have to go and where you are doing mistake and where you need to improve yourself. Okay, so when I started doing talking conversation, so after some day I gotten confident. And if you just want to become confident and perfect in anything, only thing you have to do, like no predication can help you, no miracle can help you. Only can help you is the practice. If you want to become perfect in anything in the world, do practice for that with consistency. You will definitely get that. And I did simply practice. If you see me, my parent, they are not that much educated. Second thing, that like they don't know a lot of thing and much about the cell phone. So whenever I get any problem over my YouTube, any app, so I have to handle that along with my study, and it is like really difficult, but I'm doing by that because I have to learn, I have to share whatever knowledge I have. If I share, so it will increase. And there is one thing that I would like to share you, that there is one thing that can increase by sharing, that is knowledge. So don't like pack in the box, don't pack in it, like share whatever knowledge you have. Okay, so just what you have to do, you have to do practice. Practice will gonna make you perfect. And if you are listening, so listen according to your level. I did same activity. I was listening, whatever I was listening, I was listening according to my level. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू, क्यों क्यों हम लोगों को हमारे लेवल के अनुसार ही पढ़ाया जाता है। क्यों आप स्टूडेंट लाइक क्लास 1 के स्टूडेंट हो, तो क्यों नहीं आपको क्लास 10 तक का मैथ दिया जाता है? क्योंकि यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट, you have not ability to understand that. So just like this, you are beginner right now. So don't start doing activity of intermediate and advanced. If you start doing the activity and if you start following the method that intermediate and advanced level are following, being in a level like being beginner, so you can't understand, and nothing change you can see in your English. So just do according to your level, whatever level you have. Okay, whatever level you have to do according to your level. Now this was about listening and speaking. Now come to vocab. Like so many learners, they have this confusion that what should I learn, like there are so many vocab. Let me tell you truly that I was not good at vocab. Means I had not even idea about tenses and what sentence is this and that. I hadn't idea about anything, truly and literally. To be honest, let me tell you how did I manage it. That I started watching one ma'am video, Kanchan Kesari ma'am video, then Chandan sir video. And the best way to learn grammar is to put on the situation. If you are learning grammar for speaking, so like learn like this, put on the situation. Yes, I used to put on the situation. And while doing work, while helping my mother in chores, I used to put my grammar. While washing the laundry, while doing chores work, I used to put my grammar. Because through that I could get clarity that here I have to use this tense and this sentence, and like this I have to construct. Okay, and let me tell you that which kind of grammars are really important for the beginner. If you are beginner, you should focus on tenses, modals, and after that conditional and active passive voice, that food has been cooked by me. Yeah, utensils have been washed by me. Okay, so just simply you have to do like this. And don't worry, if you are doing hard work, you will definitely gonna get the result. No one can, stop you to get a result, because in this world I think nothing is impossible. Earlier I was thinking same, that I could not become fluent, I could not do anything, but I have done it, because everything is possible in the world. And hope you have enjoyed this video, and through watching this video, hope you have gotten some clarity. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. I will be keep uploading such type of video. Thank you so much for watching.